Sittingbourne to take a look around this HMO property. We have 3 double bedrooms here to rent, all with en-suites, and the property has been recently refurbished to a very high-end modern finish. Let's take a look. The rooms start from £675 per calendar month, and that has all the bills included. They come furnished with bed, desk, wardrobe, and the best part, your own private ensuite. Thank you for taking a look. If you would like to arrange your viewing or would like some more information, please give us a call on 01795 473434 or take a look at our website, familyhomes.co.uk. Thank you.